song is not of an angel's chorus, nor its feathers fit for placing on a hat, nor its flesh fit to be on a plate. And yet, for all that, the corncrake's call in its demise has reached into our heart. For maybe our loss of oneness with nature, it has made us aware, or made a good start. And so today in open field, where they cut from the edge before, they now cut from the centre out, so the corncrake can once more be heard above the sounds of evening by all for the coming years, for it is through the carelessness of man that nature disappears. Imagine if we done for our fellow man, who little for we might care, and adopted the way we live our lives, to give him a chance where he might prosper, yet we do not lose. It would be a wondrous thing. A lot less trouble will be in the world. Now that will be a song to sing. Alas, the humble cry of the corncrake, it was not saved out of love. It took grants of free money to make man rise above his lust for gain, and so with man, unless God gives a financial grant to man to take care of his fellow man and adopt, prospects for peace are scant.